In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn $147 into $720 printing 36 custom shirts for local businesses. First, you will need to purchase 36 front and back prints of your customer logo, and you will do this by going to jiffytransfers.com and printing two 22 by 48 DTF gang sheets for $44 each. Next, you're going to purchase 36 Comfort Soft Hanes t-shirts for $1.65 each at blankstyles.com. Now you're going to apply the transfers by placing your t-shirts on your heat press and preheating the garment for 3 to 5 seconds. This will help remove any moisture and wrinkles and ensure a smooth professional print. Now for the printing, you're going to start with the front by cutting out the chest pocket designs on your DTF transfer. Then you're going to place it 3 inches from the collar, 3 inches from the sleeve on the chest pocket area. Then you're going to press for 10 seconds on 315 degrees, peeling immediately. Now you're going to repeat the process for the back of the shirts, and it should take you about 1 hour to complete the order. And you're going to charge your customers $20 a shirt, netting you a profit of $632.